So generally, whenever it comes to a systems integrator, unless it's a massive company and all they have is install crews or they just have controls crews, so you may be going on the road for either being part of the install crew, controls engineering crew, electrical wiring crew. In a lot of companies, there's multiple job titles that kind of mesh together. So a lot of times you may have your mechanical and electrical guys both doing the same thing. Sometimes your mechanical and your electrical guys could be the same person, or your controls and electrical guys could be the same person. Now, that's generally on the smaller scale side of things. Now, whenever you get into bigger companies, everybody's going to have their own sectioned off job title. So you're either going to be like an install millwright type of individual, or you're going to be a electrical wiring type of individual, a controls engineer, project manager, things along those lines. And I really think that depending on the job title, it can be a lot more difficult or easier than others. So for example, if you're just one of the mechanical guys doing mechanical install or electrical wiring, then it's probably not going to be as stressful or as difficult for you. And the reason why is because, to be honest, generally you're not using as much brain power. I'm sure you may have your days where it's going to be tougher because something mechanically isn't meshing up right, or it didn't get built back at the facility. There'll be headaches, don't get me wrong, but generally when it comes to stuff like that, it's a little bit more simplistic.